Hey all, how's it going? This is the unboxing of the Wyze Fitness Smart Scale. Go ahead and open it now for you. It's a nice quality box, seems to be protected. Typical filler material here. Looks to be well padded on the sides in the box. You have the scale wrapped in plastic. It's a very nice smooth texture there. Appears to be, it is glass I believe. You have a quick start guide. You have a quick start instructions here for installing the batteries, downloading the app, etc. And lastly, the batteries. And these are some AAAs. Anything else in here? Nope, that is all. So that concludes the unboxing. More to follow as we review the scale.